Today we will learn how to solve the algebraic fractions. If you will like the video, do not forget to like, subscribe and comment. So you can see here the questions on the board. The first question is 4x over 7 minus x over 5. Since it's a fraction, we have to make the denominator same. And to do so, we have to find out what is the LCM of 5 and 7. So the LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. So that we have to change both the denominators into 35. So we have to multiply both the denominators with some number. So if I will multiply 7 with 5, it will change to 35. I will multiply this 5 here also in the numerator place. Then x over 5. This 5 I needs to times with 7. So that it will become 35. Same number I will multiply with x. So I'll get here 20x over 35 minus 7x over 35. Now since the denominators are same, we will write the denominator once and then we'll write on here 20x minus 7x, which is equals to 13x over 35. So that's the answer for this particular question. Similarly, if you will see the next question here, we have to first find out what is the LCM of 2 and 5. So the LCM of 2 and 5 is equals to 10. So that means I have to make both the denominators equals to 10. So I need to multiply them with some number. So I will write on here 2 into 5, because if I will multiply 2 with 5, I will get it equals to 10. But here we have x plus 1. So in that case, we will put a bracket here and then we'll write on 5 outside, because we have to multiply this 5 with x also and 1 also. Then we'll put here plus x plus 3. Now this 5 I need to multiply with 2. So I will put a bracket here and then I will write on here 2. So then it is equals to 5x plus 1 over 10 plus 2x plus 3 over 10. Now after this I have to open the brackets. 5x plus 5 over 10 plus 2x plus 6 over 10. Since the denominators are same, I will write on the denominator once and then I write on here 5x plus 5 plus 2x plus 6. Then I will write on the like terms together. 5x plus 2x plus 5 plus 6 over 10. Then 5 plus 2, 7x. 5 plus 6, 11 over 10. So the answer for this question is 7x plus 11 over 10. Let's take another example of such question. In this question, you can see we have a negative sign here in between. So to do this question, first we have to put a bracket. Then we'll find out what is the LCM of 5 and 3. So the LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. That means I'll write on here 2 minus x over 5. I will multiply this with 3 and here I'll put a bracket and I'll write on 3 minus, then I will put a bracket here, 3 into 5. I write on here 3x plus 1 and bracket, and outside the bracket it's 5. Now after this we will multiply 3 into 2, 6. 3 into x is 3x over 15 minus, we will keep this bracket here, 5 into 3x is 15x plus 5 into 1 is 5 over 15. Now after this, since the denominators are same, we'll write on the denominator once. 6 minus 3x minus 15x plus 5. We will keep this bracket here. Now after this, we will open the bracket. So minus into 15x is minus 15x. Minus into plus 5 is minus 5 over 15. Now this bracket part is very important, because if you will not put a bracket, what you will do, you will just write on minus 15x plus 5, which is wrong, because we are getting here minus 15x minus 5, and that is right. Now after this we will write the like terms together. 6 minus 5 minus 3x minus 15x over 15. So we'll get here 1 minus 18x over 15. So that is the answer for this particular question. I hope you have understood this topic very well. In the next video, we will discuss the fractions with the x in the denominator place. So subscribe the channel and stay tuned.